guys, welcome back to the channel. This side Bebo and I welcome everybody on my channel. I hope everybody is doing good and I'm very excited to share this video because this is a useful video, guys, and this is not only useful for the girls as well as for the boys. Why so? Because boys, I'm sure if you do not have a boyfriend, you do have father, you do have brother, you do have a male friend, you do have best friends to whom you want to gift something real. To the ladies, I know how important it is to do the shopping under good budget for our loving one, and it's called smart shopping from our end. So we do not like to waste money just on the show off things. We do like to invest even a little amount of money on the worthful things, right? I kept all the point in my mind while purchasing from Amazon application that I want to gift multiple things, I want to gift worthful things, and I want to gift under budget also. According to me, the smart shopping is not like I get one thing which costs you 3,000, 4,000 and use it once, or you use it for the showpiece or something. No, I include both of the things. So better to purchase single thing on the person who is very special for you. I believe to give everything in different form, in multiple forms. So that was my purpose. So I went to the Amazon application and my budget was from 100 to 600 for each of the object. Without wasting much time, let's get this video started. So this is the first gift idea I'll recommend you guys from Amazon. Under 100, if your budget is under 100, guys, go for this diary. This is completely a man look, completely a macho look diary. You can see there's a bullet over there, over the cover. Then there's a little rope tying this diary and one hanging gun. Trust me, this is not mean to shoot, this is just to shoot your goal. So this is completely a organic and a handy work. I liked it, and this costed me only 81 rupees. On Amazon you can search for SP Creation diary under 81 rupees. Completely recommended for you guys. Also, let me show you how does it get opens and how does it look from inside. Moving to the second gift I'll recommend you from Amazon under 200 rupees is this amazing personal picture mug. Yes, this is under 200 rupees, plus this is not only the single gift you're gonna purchase from this brand. There are two things with the same price. This keychain under this mug, I got this, I'm sorry, this one. So I have get this picture for my husband, and this is both of us together, if you are able to see. So I sent these pictures a week ago to get this mug designed with these pictures as well. I shared one message also. This is going to create more love while he'll sip the coffee. So let me tell you the brand and the price. The price is 149 rupees for this mug, people. Only 149 rupees. Let me tell you, it's worth it. And you need to search for Get Exciting brand. The brand name is Get Exciting. Get this mug out for your loving man. So moving on to the next gift is this eye mask. So let me tell you guys, this is really worth it. मेरे को अब तक का सबसे अच्छा gift यही लगा. Reason, this is useful in both of the season, winter and summer. If you're using this for winter, you just need to keep this mask under warm water for 15 to 20 minutes and then put it on your eyes. And if you're going to use this in summer season, which is right now going on, so you just need to keep this in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, open like this, put this over your eyes, and ooh la la, make your man asleep on time. He'll be relaxing and thinking about you. Trust me, this is gonna increase the love, guys. This is completely worth it, girls. Go for it. Now, talking about the price of this mask. So this costed me only 185 rupees, and the brand you need to search on Amazon is Tovino. So under 200, again you are getting must gift. So next in the list is this. Let me tell you guys, Khadi is my personal favorite brand. So I found this Khadi organic travel kit under budget. I'll let you know the price first. Let me tell you what exactly you can carry inside this. Okay, this I'm gonna take it because this is the rose water soap, and rose water is my favorite. This gonna be for him papaya soap. This is completely natural, chemical free product, guys. So this is my personal favorite. I already mentioned it. These two soap you're gonna get inside this pouch, and there are 4 bottles of different uses. So first flavor is rosemary amla. Guys, these all are the natural product. I would definitely recommend this if you're caring about the skin of your man or any loving person in your house. Guys, for this complete package and that travel pouch, this is really cute one. You can carry all the stuff inside this. This costed me only 191 rupees, and you don't need to search anything, just search khadi. Okay, so last but not least, this is the last thing I'm gonna share with you people. If you are somebody who is not going to waste your time, or you are not having the time to go for these multiple options, and on the last option you're thinking what to give to your man, then this is the X grooming kit I'm gonna recommend you. This is under the budget of 500 rupees. Let me show you what exactly things are inside this cool bag. So let's get started. Okay, first you're gonna get the X Signature Denim Aftershave Lotion. So this is aftershave lotion, and fragrance is completely nice, trust me. This is first thing. Second thing you're gonna get inside this cool bag is the body spray deodorant, and trust me, I smelled it and it was charismatic. I'm still not over it yet. So this gonna attract your man, gonna attract you whole day if he sprinkled this one. So third thing inside this bag is, okay, so this is 0% gas body deodorant under the same package. And last, this is shaving cream, guys. So this is under this single cute pouch which he can carry proudly anywhere. It's kind of, you know, he can like tie on the waist and just move on like somewhere where he want to go for track heels or traveling anywhere. He won't mind to take this kit with him. So this is complete. So that's all for now. And let me tell you guys, it has not been shopped in just 1 day or 2 days. It's almost has taken 7 to 8 days to collect all this stuff which should be worthful under budget. So it has taken proper planning to get the gifts which make him impressed, which make him happy, which should be worthful for him. So these gifts has really taken time. So the last one, the Axe grooming kit, is really worthful. It actually came in 2 days. So if you want to go with a quick decision, again I'll recommend you the Axe grooming kit is the best option from my end under 500 rupee budget. And apart from that, if you like anything in this video, you want to know more about the product, know more about the prices, or want more recommendation from my end, please do let me know under the comment section. I'm eagerly waiting for your responses because this was time-taking video. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit like button, do share this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.